Hello everyone, my name is Lindsey Pacios. I am the founder of Team Cure and I'm going to show you my office today.
And I'm the co-founder, Emily Jundy. I'm filming, yeah. Here's Lindsey again.
Hello. So, here is our office. It's just a little section of my basement and it's just dedicated to Team Cure. So I'll show you around. This is my desk. This is where I do everything. Over here, we'll start with this. This is the Mary Jo Brown Foundation's Kindness Campaign Award that we won. Over here we have this, and we keep like envelopes and like papers and flyers and stuff. And then we have like just a picture. And then down here we have like a lot of office supplies, like we have our business cards and donation bucket. If we come around this way, we have this. In here we keep like packing supplies, like tissue paper. We keep stickers to decorate the boxes with. And we also were awarded this from the Mary Jo Brown Foundation, so that's always keep around. And up here, we have this. Here's the current batch of packages that we sent out today, and we're gonna cross them out when we get an update from the parents saying if they got their package or not, so we know that we did our job. And then here's our package count of how many we sent. Over here, we have a corkboard, and we have just some like business cards and things we got. This was colored by Charlie, who is a stage 4 neuroblastoma fighter. She is cancer free as of now, and we are so excited to see what she does next because she is one tough cookie. And she drew us this amazing picture of an airplane. You know, if you kind of like look closely, you can sort of see it. And then over here we have this like flower necklace.
Lay.
That. A lei from the Mary Jo Brown Foundation's Luau Banquet. And then we have a lot of cards. These are from various organizations and other people we've worked with. And I love them. They're amazing. Here's the box we're working on. We're doing an adopted family for Christmas this year. And we just have like toys for like this girl and her family. And then over here, we have our giant Team Cure banner, which is awesome. And then here's all the boxes that we need to ship. So they're expensive to ship. So if you want to donate, link below. And then come on over here. Here we have a poster. This was hanging in our school's hallway for the entire month of September, which is Child Cancer Awareness Month. I found it on the floor a month later and I picked it up. Now it has a permanent home here. Over here we have our toy section. So I would pick out toys from here and then just put them in boxes and do my thing. So we have these cuddle bears and these super duper buddies, which we love so much, that were graciously donated to us. We have a doll that was donated.